Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. I am Srita Mishra from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation, and today we are diving into a topic that affects all of us, that is urban trees for climate change. So before that I have a question. Have you ever walked through a busy city and felt that heat rising from the roads and buildings and then instantly felt cooler under trees? That's not just our imagination. Trees truly change the climate around us. As cities continue to grow and temperature continue to rise, urban trees are becoming one of the simplest yet most powerful solutions for creating healthier, cooler and more sustainable cities. So in this video, we will discuss on why cities are getting hotter, how trees help fight climate change, the environmental and health benefit of urban greenery, and what we can do to make our cities more climate resilient. So let's discuss and discover how planting more trees today can help protect our future tomorrow. So from the wide roads of Delhi to the busy streets of Kolkata, urban trees quietly support city life. We often ignore them, but they are constantly filtering polluted air, reducing heat, supporting biodiversity. In many ways, trees act like natural infrastructure just as important as roads and buildings. So the key idea today is urban trees are not just decoration, they are essential for survival in modern cities. And today we will be discussing majorly on these both topics. First one is the benefits of urban trees in climate mitigation, then challenges and strategy for urban tree integration. So the first one is the benefits of urban trees in climate mitigation. Let me start with carbon sequestration by urban trees. Urban trees play a vital role in reducing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere through the process of photosynthesis. As we all know, trees absorb carbon dioxide and convert it into energy, storing carbon in their trunks, branches, leaves, and even in the surrounding soil. This makes them natural carbon storage systems. In cities where emissions from vehicles and industries are high, trees help offset some of this pollution by capturing and storing atmospheric carbon. As a result, they contribute to lowering the overall carbon footprint of the urban areas. Moving on to temperature regulation and cooling effects, urban areas often experience higher temperature than rural areas due to concrete surface, buildings, and limited vegetation. This phenomena is known as the urban heat island effect. Trees help counter this in two major ways. First, their canopies provide shade, which reduces surface and the air temperatures. Second, trees release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration, which has cooling effect and improves air circulation. Together, these processes make cities more comfortable and livable, especially during hot weather. However, despite these benefits, there are significant challenges when it comes to urban tree planting and maintenance. So here we come with the challenges and strategy for urban tree integration. So here one major issue is space constraint. Cities have limited room for planting trees and available spaces often conflict with sidewalks, roads and underground infrastructure such as pipes and cables. And additionally, urban environment expose trees to harsh conditions like pollution, compacted soil, and restricted root growth. These factors can weaken trees, limit their growth, and reduce their lifespan. Maintaining healthy trees in such environments requires careful planning and ongoing management. Then let's look at the strategy to enhance the contribution of urban trees. One important approach is selecting climate resilient tree species. By choosing trees that can tolerate heat, drought, and pollution, we can improve their chances of survival and ensure long term benefits. Another key strategy is community engagement and policy support. Involving local communities in planting and caring for trees enhances sense of ownership and responsibility. At the same time, strong policies and urban planning frameworks are necessary to protect trees and integrate them effectively into city landscapes. So, why urban trees matter? We have already discussed, but let's understand their importance in four major ways. First one is the urban cooling. Cities trap heat due to concrete. This is called urban heat island effect, and trees can reduce temperatures up to 5 degrees Celsius and acting like natural air conditioner. Then second is the air purification. A single mature tree can absorb around 150 kilograms of carbon dioxide per year and also trap harmful dust particles. Then next is the water management. Tree roots absorb rainwater, reduce flooding, and help recharge groundwater. And fourth one is the very important one, which is mental health, mental well-being. Studies shows that green spaces reduce stress, anxiety, and even depression. So clearly trees impact both our environment and also our health. Now let's look at some common urban tree species. So first one is the Ficus bengalensis. It is commonly known as banyan tree. It is one of the most valuable urban trees for combating climate change and improving city environments. So it has excellent carbon absorption. Banyan tree have a massive canopy and dense biomass, allowing them to absorb large amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This helps reduce greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming. Then it can reduce urban heat. Cities often experience the urban heat island effect where concrete and building trap heat. Banyan trees provide extensive shade and cool the surrounding air through transpiration, helping lower city temperature naturally. Then it also improves air quality. The large leaves of the banyan tree trap dust, smoke, and harmful pollutants from the air. This improves air quality and helps reduce respiratory problems among urban populations. Then it also supports water conservation. Its broad root system improves soil structure and increases water infiltration into the ground. This reduces flooding during heavy rains and supports groundwater recharge. Then, banyan tree also enhances urban biodiversity. It provides shelter and food for birds, insects, bats, and other wildlife. They create small urban ecosystems that help maintain biodiversity in cities. Then it also promotes human well-being. Green spaces with banyan tree create cooler, calmer, and healthier environments. They reduce stress, improve mental health, and provide gathering spaces for communities. Then come to Azadirachta indica, commonly known as neem. It is one of the most beneficial urban trees for addressing climate change and improving environmental health in cities. Neem trees absorb significant amount of carbon dioxide, helping reduce greenhouse gases and mitigate global warming. With its wide canopy and dense foliage, neem tree provides shade and lower surrounding temperatures. This helps reduce the urban heat island effect in cities. Neem leaves can trap dust and absorb harmful pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. This improves urban air quality and supports respiratory health. The neem tree also can survive in hot and dry conditions with minimal water, which is the most important character of neem. Their resilience makes them highly suitable for urban areas affected by rising temperature and water scarcity. Neem has natural insect repellent property. It reduces the need of chemical pesticides, making urban green space healthier and more eco-friendly. Its strong root system stabilizes soil, reduces erosion, and improves soil fertility, especially in degraded urban lands. The tree also provides habitat and food for birds, insects, and small animals, helping maintain ecological balance in urban ecosystem. The next is the Delonix regia or gulmohar. Gulmohar trees have a broad umbrella-shaped canopy that provides extensive shade, helping reduce surface and air temperature in urban areas. By cooling the surrounding environment through shade and transpiration, Gulmohar trees help make cities more comfortable during hot summer. The dense foliage traps dust and airborne pollutants, contributing to cleaner and healthier urban air. Like other urban trees, Gulmohar absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping reduce greenhouse gases. Its root system helps improving soil stability, water infiltration, reducing runoff, and minor urban flooding. The bright flowers of Gulmohar attract birds, butterflies, and pollinators, supporting biodiversity within cities. With its striking red-orange flower, Gulmohar improves the aesthetic value of streets, parks, and campuses, encouraging greener urban planning. The next come to the peepal tree, that is Ficus religiosa. It is one of the most important urban trees for environmental sustainability and climate change mitigation. Peepal trees have large canopy and extensive leaf area, enabling them to absorb significant amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store carbon for many years. The dense foliage provides excellent shade and cools surrounding areas through transpiration, reducing the urban heat island effect in cities. Peepal trees help removing dust, smoke, and other harmful pollutants from the air, improving urban air quality. Its fruits and branches provide food and shelter for birds, insects, squirrel, and other urban wildlife, promoting biodiversity in cities. The strong root system helps prevent soil erosion and improves water infiltration, supporting groundwater recharge and reducing surface runoff. Peepal trees are hardy, adaptable to different climates, and can survive for hundreds of years, making them sustainable urban assets. And apart from environmental benefits, the peepal tree holds great cultural and spiritual significance in India, encouraging people to protect and conserve it. The next is the Terminalia catappa or Indian almond. It is an important urban tree species for climate change mitigation and sustainable city development. The broad Layered canopy of Indian almond tree provide excellent shade, helping reduce urban temperature and creating cooler outdoor spaces by lowering surface temperatures and increasing evaporations. The tree helps combat excessive heat in cities caused by concrete, and its large leaves trap dust and airborne pollutants, contributing to cleaner and healthier urban air. The tree captures and stores carbon dioxide, helping reduce greenhouse gases and mitigate climate change. Its strong root system stabilizes soil, improves water infiltration. Then Terminalia catappa is tolerant to salt and coastal conditions, making it highly valuable for climate resilient urban planting in coastal areas. The tree provides food and shelter for birds, insects, and small animals, supporting biodiversity in urban ecosystem. Its attractive horizontal branching pattern and seasonal leaf color changes improves the visual appeal of streets, parks, and campuses. Then comes to Samanya Saman, commonly known as rain tree. It has a very wide umbrella-shaped canopy that provides extensive shade, helping keep road, parks, and building cooler in urban areas. The dense foliage lowers surrounding temperatures through shade and transpiration, making cities more comfortable during hot weather. Because of their large size and fast growth, rain trees store significant amounts of carbon, helping mitigate climate change. Rain tree provide shelter and food for birds, insects, and small animals, enhancing biodiversity in urban ecosystem. As a leguminous tree, the rain tree improves soil fertility by fixing nitrogen naturally, benefiting surrounding vegetation. The next is the Tamarindus indica or tamarind. It is also an important urban tree species. It has a broad and dense canopy that offers excellent shade, helping reduce temperature in urban areas and creating cooler public spaces. By cooling the surrounding environment through transpiration and shade, tamarind trees help lower excessive heat generated by roads and buildings in cities. Then, tamarind absorbs and stores carbon dioxide, helping reduce greenhouse gases responsible for climate change. The tree provides food and habitat for birds, insects, and other wildlife, enhancing biodiversity in urban ecosystem. It has deep and strong root system that stabilizes soil, reduces erosion, and improve water infiltration during rainfall. Beside environmental benefits, tamarind fruit are widely used in food, medicine, and local economies, adding social and economic value to urban green spaces. Then Pongamia pinnata or Pongamia or Karanja. Pongamia tree absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store carbon in their biomass, helping reduce greenhouse gas level. The tree helps trap dust and absorb pollutants, contributing to cleaner and healthier urban air. It has strong root system, helps in stabilizing soil and improve water infiltration. Pongamia is highly resilient to drought, salinity, and urban pollution, making it suitable for challenging urban environments. The flowers and foliage provide habitat for birds, bees, butterflies, and other beneficial organisms. Pongamia seeds contain oil that can be used for biodiesel production, making the tree valuable for renewable energy and sustainable development. Then it has as it is a leguminous tree, Pongamia naturally fixes nitrogen in the soil, improving soil fertility and supporting surrounding vegetation. Then Chilopsis linearis. It is commonly known as desert willow. It is a climate-resilient urban tree valued for its adaptability to hot and dry environments. They are they require very little water once established, making them highly suitable for cities facing water scarcity and rise temperatures due to climate change. The tree provides shade and cools surrounding areas through transpiration. Its foliage helps trap dust and airborne pollutants, contributing to cleaner urban air. Like other trees, desert willow absorb carbon dioxide, helping reduce greenhouse gases. Its colorful trumpet-shaped flower attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, supporting urban biodiversity and reduce pollution. With its attractive flowers and graceful appearance, desert willow improves the beauty of street, parks, and landscapes. Because of its low water requirement and climate resilience, it is widely used in sustainable and eco-friendly urban landscape projects. Then comes to Gladitsia triacanthus. It is commonly known as honey locust. It is a widely used urban tree because of its adaptability, environmental benefits, and resilience to urban conditions. It provides light and comfortable shade. It has open canopy that provides filtered shade, helping reduce urban temperatures while still allowing sunlight to reach the ground and nearby plants. By shading roads, sidewalks, and buildings, the tree helps lower heat accumulation in cities and improves urban comfort. Then the leaves trap dust and airborne pollutants while absorbing carbon dioxide, contributing to cleaner urban air. The tree improves water infiltration and reduces surface runoff, helping manage urban flooding during heavy rainfall. Honey locust tree can tolerate drought, pollution, compacted soil, and road, making them ideal for city streets and parking areas. Its delicate foliage and adaptable growth making it attractive for parks, avenues, and sustainable city landscaping. Then come to the most common urban trees, and that is the Piltophorum pterocarpum. It is known as copperpod or also known as yellow flame tree. It is an important urban tree species valued for its environmental and climatic benefits. So these copperpod trees develop a broad canopy that provides effective shade along roadside, parks, and public spaces. Its dense foliage lowers surrounding temperature through shade and transpiration, reducing excessive urban heat caused by concrete surface. Copperpot trees absorb and store carbon dioxide, helping reduce greenhouse gases and mitigate climate change. The bright yellow flowers attract bees, butterflies, and birds, supporting pollinators and enhancing urban biodiversity. With its attractive golden yellow flowers and spreading canopy, the tree enhances the aesthetic value of the streets, campuses, and gardens. Copperpot tree can tolerate heat and moderate drought, making them suitable for tropical and subtropical urban environments. Then one of the most beautiful tree, Jacaranda mimosifolia or jacaranda. It develops a spreading canopy that provides shade and helps reduce surrounding temperature in urban areas. Jacaranda trees store carbon in their biomass, helping reduce greenhouse gases and combat climate change. Its foliage trap dust and airborne pollutants while absorbing carbon dioxide. The attractive purple-blue flowers attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, enhancing biodiversity in cities. Jacaranda is famous for its stunning violet blue blossoms, which improve the visual appeal of street, parks, and campuses and encourage greener urban environments. The tree can tolerate warm climates and moderate drought, making it suitable for many urban landscapes. Then, Spathodia campanulata or African tulip. It is a fast-growing urban tree valued for its environmental and ornamental benefits. The African tulip tree has a broad canopy that offers good shade, helping cool streets, park, and urban open spaces. Its large foliage and transpiration process help lower surrounding temperature and reduce excessive urban heat. It is known for its striking flower and lush foliage. The African tulip tree greatly enhances the aesthetic value of roadsides, parks, and gardens. The tree grows well in the tree grows well in warm tropical climates and adapts effectively to many urban environmental conditions. The bright red-orange flowers attract birds, bees, and butterflies and other pollinators, enhancing biodiversity in urban ecosystem. Its root also help in stabilizing soil and reduces erosion. Then next, that everyone knows about this plant, that is Neolamarkia kadamba or kadamba tree. It is a fast growing tropical tree highly valued for urban forestry and climate resilience. Kadamba trees grow rapidly and absorb large amount of carbon dioxide, helping reduce greenhouse gases and mitigate climate change. Its broad canopy provides excellent shade and cools the surrounding areas through transpiration. The dense foliage trap dust and airborne pollutants. The root system helps prevent soil erosion and improves rainwater infiltration. Kadamba trees provide habitat and food for birds, insects, bees, and butterflies, promoting biodiversity in urban ecosystem. Its attractive spherical yellow-orange flower and lush green canopy improve the aesthetic values of parks, gardens, and roadsides. Kadamba tree thrives in warm and humid climates, making them highly suitable for tropical and subtropical cities. Green spaces with Kadamba trees create cooler, calmer, and healthier environments that support recreation and mental well-being. Then comes to Pride of India or Lagestromia speciosa. It is an important urban tree species valued for its environmental, climatic, and ornamental benefits. The tree develops a broad canopy that offers shade and helps reduce temperature in urban areas, making streets and parks more comfortable. Then its dense foliage trap dust and absorb pollutants from the atmosphere, improving urban air quality. The large purple-pink flowers attracts bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, supporting biodiversity in urban ecosystem. It is known for its vibrant flowers and attractive appearance. The tree greatly improves the aesthetic values of roadside gardens and parks. The tree tolerates heat and humid climates and making it suitable for tropical and subtropical urban environments. Then comes to the beautiful flower Cassia fistula or Amalthus. It is an important urban tree species that is valued for its environmental and ornamental benefits. Now the flowering is going on and the tree looks very beautiful, filled with yellow flowers, providing a uh, biodiversity for urban areas. So as it develops spreading canopy, it provides shade and helps reduce temperature. Then the bright yellow flowers attracts many pollinators and it enhances the urban ecosystem. Then it is known for its spectacular golden yellow flower clusters. The tree adds significant aesthetic values to parks, streets and gardens. Cassia fistula can tolerate dry conditions and warm climate, making it suitable for tropical and subtropical urban regions. Then comes to Syzygium cumini or jamon tree. It is highly valuable urban tree species for climate resilience and sustainable city environment. Jamon tree also develop a thick and wide canopy, provide excellent shade, helping cool roads, parks, and residential areas in cities. Its dense foliage traps dust and absorbs pollutants such as carbon dioxide, improving urban air quality. Jamon tree absorbs and stores significant amount of carbon dioxide, mitigate climate change. The strong root system prevents soil erosion and improves water infiltration. The tree provides food and shelter for birds, insects, bats, and other pollinators, enhancing the biodiversity in urban ecosystem. Jamun fruits are rich in nutrients and have medicinal importance, adding economic and health benefits to urban green spaces. The tree is hardy, drought tolerant, and capable of surviving in different urban conditions, making it suitable for long-term urban forestry programs. The next is the Saptaparni or the blackboard tree or Alstonia scholaris. It is an important evergreen urban tree valued for its environmental and climate-related benefits. As an evergreen tree, Alstonia scholaris provide continuous shade throughout the year, helping keep urban area cooler. And then the tree absorbs carbon dioxide and it stores carbon in its biomass, helping reduce greenhouse gases. Its root system stabilizes soil, reduces erosion, and improves water infiltration during rainfall. The tree provides habitat and shelter for birds and insects, supporting biodiversity in urban ecosystem. It tolerates pollution and grows well in tropical urban environments, making it suitable for roadside and park plantations. The tree has traditional medicinal uses and cultural significance in many regions. It, it is adding social values to urban green spaces. The tree has dense canopy and so it's lower the surrounding temperature. The next is the bakul tree or Mimesis ellingi. It is an evergreen tree that plays a significant role in improving urban environments and addressing climate-related challenges. The tree absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and stores carbon for long periods, helping decrease greenhouse gas level in cities. Its thick green canopy provides continuous shade and lowering surrounding temperatures. The leaves capture dust particles and harmful pollutants. Its deep root system strengthens soil, minimizes erosion and allows rainwater to seep into the ground more effectively. The fragrant flowers attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, while the trees also offer shelter to birds and other small organisms. With its shiny leaves and pleasant smelling flowers, Bakul enhances the beauty of parks, streets, and gardens. The tree is hardy, evergreen, and adaptable to tropical climates. making it ideal for long-term urban greening projects. Then Terminalia arjuna or Arjun tree. It is an important urban tree species known for its ecological, medicinal and climate resilient properties. Arjun trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping reduce greenhouse gases. The dense foliage captures dust and harmful pollutants, contributing to cleaner and healthier urban air. The strong root system binds soil effectively, especially near roadside and water bodies, reducing erosion and improving soil stability. The tree provides habitat and food sources for birds, insects, and pollinators, supporting ecological balance in cities. The bark of Arjun tree is widely used in traditional medicine, especially for heart-related health benefits, increasing its social and cultural values. The tree is also hardy, long-living and adaptable to tropical climate, making it ideal for parks, avenues and urban green belts. The next is the Ficus racemosa or cluster fig. It acts as a keystone species, providing year-round food. Different parts of the tree are traditionally used in herbal medicine, adding ecological and social importance to urban landscape. The tree adapts well to tropical climates and can thrive in parks, roadside plantations, and community green spaces. The fig produced by the tree are an important food source for birds, bats, insects, and other wildlife, enhancing urban biodiversity. The tree helps filter dust, smoke, and harmful pollutants from the air, contributing to a healthier urban environment. The Ficus racemosa captures carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store carbon in its trunk, branches, and roots, helping reduce the impact of climate change. Then comes to champa tree, that is Magnolia champaca or magnolia. It is a valuable evergreen tree that contributes to urban climate resilience and environmental sustainability. The fragrant flower attracts bees, butterflies, and birds, supporting pollinators and maintaining ecological balance in cities. It is known for its beautiful and aromatic flowers. The champa tree enhances the visual and cultural appeal of parks, gardens, and roadside landscape. The tree grows well in warm and humid climates, making it ideal for tropical urban forestry program. Its greenery and pleasant fragrance create peaceful surroundings that help reduce stress and improve mental wellness. Its strong root system improve and prevent soil erosion. The tree filters dust and airborne pollutants. It has dense foliage, provides shade and helps lower surrounding temperature. It also absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and reduces the effect of climate change. The next is the Straculia foetida. It is commonly known as wild almond. It is important tropical urban tree recognized for its environmental and climate-related benefits. It absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It has large breeding canopies that provide shade and lower surrounding temperature. The tree offers habitat and shelter for birds, insects, and small animals. Helps in maintaining the biodiversity within urban ecosystem. Sterculia foetida grows well in warm climates and can tolerate dry conditions, making it suitable for tropical urban landscapes. Its unique leaf arrangements and tall structure provide a visual appeal of roadside, parks, and open spaces. The cooling shade and greenery provided by the tree create more comfortable and relaxing urban environments. The next is the Tapubuya rosea. It is commonly known as pink trumpet tree. It is a valuable urban tree species admired for its environmental benefits and ornamental beauty. The attractive pink flowers attract bees, butterflies, and birds, helping support urban biodiversity and pollination. The tree is famous for its striking pink blossoms, which enhances the aesthetic value of streets, parks, campuses, and gardens. Tabubuya rosea tolerate tropical climate and seasonal dry conditions, making it suitable for urban planting programs. Then challenges facing our urban trees. Despite their importance, urban trees face serious challenges. Rapid urbanization often leads to tree cutting for construction. Pollution and poor soil conditions stress existing trees, and maintenance is often neglected. In fact, studies shows that around 30% of urban trees in India are under stress. If this trend continues, cities will become hotter and more polluted and less livable. There are many policies and programs for Green City Initiative. So, to address the challenges, several government programs have been introduced. First one is the Nagarban scheme, focuses on creating urban forest, which was initiated in 2014. Then in 2016, Smart Cities Mission was initiated and it includes green planning. Then in 2019, National Clean Air Program was initiated. It includes urban afforestation as a key strategy to combat air pollution. Then in 2022, Amrit Dharohar was initiated. It aims to protect heritage trees and integrating them into city master plans. So these initiatives are important, but policies alone are not enough. The policies are not enough and the public participation is equally important. Across India, we see inspiring examples. Citizens adopting trees, communities maintaining local parks, schools running plantation drives. This shows that environmental protection is not just a government responsibility, it's a shared one. As a citizen, even small action like planting or protecting a tree can make a big difference. Nowadays, technology is also playing a growing role in urban forestry. Satellite mapping helps identify areas needing trees that there we can plant the native tree for greenery. Then mobile apps allow citizens to report tree damage. Then we have sensor monitor tree health in real time. Even drones are being used for planting in difficult areas. So modern urban forestry is becoming a blend of nature and technology. Like in Delhi, Green Delhi allows residents to report tree damage and track planting program progress. Then through drone planting, pilot projects in Bengaluru and Hyderabad use drones to plant seed in hard to reach urban areas. Some case studies like in Bengaluru, dense forests are being created using Miyawaki method where trees grows much faster. With the competition, over 200 dense native trees were planted using the Japanese Miyawaki technique in Bengaluru. In Chandigarh, Chandigarh is a plant green city with over 30% of green cover. So it also enhances the cities leading to the greenery. Then in Mumbai, mangrove restoration projects are protecting coastline and supporting biodiversity. These examples shows that with the right approach, urban forestry can succeed. Looking ahead,
India has set a target of achieving 33% tree cover in urban areas by 2050. To achieve this, we need better planning, use of native species, strong policies, and active public participation. This goal is ambitious but achievable if efforts are consistent. To conclude, urban trees are not just a part of the environment, they are essential for the future of our cities. They help us fight climate change, improve health, and make urban life more sustainable. So, I would like to end with a simple thought: the cities of tomorrow's will depend on the trees we plant and protect today. Thank you.